Hey everybody. So I got out the car and walked around and I'm just loving this day, this moment. And recently I had said it would be nice to see the geese while I'm filming. And look who came. See, they knew where I was. They were listening to my video. See them? Can't get too close because they tell them. That's her again. She's back. Look at their steps, and they look at the format. Look how they stood in line. Hold on. Okay. I hope y'all can see it. In the mud. They walked in line. And now they're bathing and feeding. It's such a beautiful thing. And I know I can't get too close. So I'm trying to figure out how to put them behind me. There's so many of them. And they just daring me. And look, this is like 3 families. This is one family here, and you see mom and dad are in the front. Right there. And then this is the second family. They're preparing for their flight to the south because it's about to get very cold here. And the others sat down there. Wait, that looked like one family there. And so look, they're feeding and bathing, and pretty soon they'll take a swim. And we do have fresh fish here, no sharks. There's the beach further down. We do not have sharks in our water. All fresh water. And it's Lake Michigan, one of the Great Lakes. Hey y'all. There go the geese. We have geese too. Hey! What's going on? Y'all heard me on the radio, huh? What's going on? You all are some beautiful birds. My dad said that if you feed the birds all the time, you will always have something to eat. Feed the birds all the time. I know, I didn't even bring anything with me. I usually have something. Wow. So anyway, I just still out here. I don't know. Just know this is again the day the Lord has made. We might as well rejoice and be glad in it. Yeah, see, he already took that. See how he was flapping his wings. Fanning them dry, stretching them. But I know not to get too close. We had a good storm here. A lot of worms. The dirt, the earth is wet. Still wet, but not too wet. Well, I can't walk on it and not get my feet wet. Okay. I said I was going to put my feet in the grass today. Okay, don't make fun of my feet. But I'm going to. Oh, it feels so good. I didn't expect this. You see that? Hi. You see that? You see it? I did not ask y'all not to make fun of my feet. But you did. I can't get them down there. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I have to turn upside down. Or switch the phone around, but then if I do that, the lens around, then I would disconnect. Oh, this just feel good. That's how I get one of them. One of y'all want to hold the camera for me, please? Oh, there go a tree. I gotta be careful too. touching it. I got proof. Evidence. Okay. Yeah. Mother Nature, she gonna clean it all up. It's so beautiful out here. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Ooh, I know that felt good. Uh-oh. Look like they're getting ready to have a disagreement over there. They're so big. These are huge birds. See y'all later. Let me see how close I can get without talking. See? There go that family again. They way back there. There's one over there. There. They are really feasting. Thank you, Lord, for feeding the birds. Small baby trees. They recently planted these. And the ones you see that are taller, they used to be this size. And I don't know if my lens is showing you downtown Chicago. Well, again, see you all real soon. Have a lovely day. Well, it's evening time. The sun's in the west. It's supposed to be to my back. See you all. Take care. Bye.